Always put on the safety shield and gloves. These will attach to the spoon with brads like this right here. So like that. And this is made out of aluminum siding. Okay, this is going to be an attempt to make a cross out of a railroad spike. And what I have to do first is flatten the head of the spike so it can set up by itself. And this is the thing you use to do that with. I'll heat up the head of the spike, drop it in the hole, and then hammer the head of the spike flat. That's what we're going to try. Need my tongs. Okay, here's the almost finished product. This was the railroad spike that I was working on earlier. And it's not finished yet, but it's getting close. And the way I made this was to take a railroad spike like this and split it with a bandsaw down to right here. Turn it over, and with the bandsaw cut a notch, heat this head up, bend this out of the way, and then cut with the bandsaw to right along here. And because these two cuts cross each other, you heat the spike up and fold this part out. This part folds out, and then this part, the back part, folds up, and that creates the cross and creates that hole in the middle there. And what I'll do is heat this up and point it just like the sides, wire brush it, clean it up, and then with a ball peen hammer antique it to look more like a wrought iron cross.